Line it up.
I want to back up about 1,000 feet. Oh, I think I shriveled up. You definitely got phone holler. I'm pretty sure I shriveled up right there.
Go out that little road and come out.
Come on, Brandon.
No.
Come on, Brandon.
Hear me?
You go in front of me, I'll follow you.
I ain't
Play
getting.
follow the leader.
I ain't
Fast
getting
as you
wet.
go.
You do, William. You're already wet.
I follow the leader with it.
Come on. I'll go as fast as you go.
Go ahead. You'll be all right if
I mean, I
I
can't
can.
go
You can.
50, but I get 43.
You got shorts on under there?
Yeah.
Pull your pants off.
Run through it with your shorts.
Go with your shorts. Take your shorts off later. Shove your pants on.
I know it's cold. I don't want to wet. I was talking about go out that road there.
You got shorts on under there.
Come around through there and come right through the deep part.
I did.
Go ahead,
You hit that in. You didn't hit the deep one.
I know. I just where I stubbed myself up. It went back tire went right there. It just went. Whoop.
I know if you come down through that way, straight through here.
Come on, William.
Go ahead, Blaine. Go ahead, William.
Come on, William.
Go on.
I'm
Come
ready,
on.
man.
Come on.
Now.
Hey, a little.
Take your jacket off.
Yeah, take your jacket off. Let's go. Let's go.
No.
Let's go, white boy. Come on.
Go ahead, Brandon.
No.
Take your pants off and go on.
No.
You got that big coat.
I've been equipping a little man for
Go on, mine.
No.
Come on, William.
I know you're right home. I want to get wet.
Come on.
Y'all gonna regret that going on.
I'm
I
not
don't.
that wet right now.
I'm good.
Well, then do it again.
I just did it twice.
Go out that road there.
Come on.
What of it? Do it, William.
Go right in
I ain't-
front of me.
No.
Come on.
Go on, go for it.
I'm gonna tell Sierra you want to lift the nipple. I swear to God I will. You know I will. That's all right. I'll still do it.
Do it, William.
No. Do it. I don't want that wet.
Boy, it's like I said, it's not the dog. Come on.
That's deep.
Come on. Come on. Shit.
Take that jacket off.
He's worried about the whole
Hey,
Sierra.
pick that up with spiders on.
Pick it up. There's spiders. Spiders all over again. I'm trying. I ain't never turned it off. Yeah, he's getting a little bit ballsy, ain't he?
You think ballsy and he goes over to the handlebars.
That's
Lands right out flat in the middle of that water.
It's recording. Oh, didn't mean that, buddy. So we're getting ready to watch him go. Oh shit.
You slow down.
It's cold.
It's all right.
No, I don't want to get it wet right just there. Now I really got to
Try it, Brandon.
Bringing his shirt
Try
up.
it, Brandon.
You got soaked.
You can go back to four wheel when you get home. Mine died right there.
All right, man. Now what time is we gonna hit that?
Time is it?
1:30.
Yep, 124.
Lost my little straw thing.
Did you get it?
Yeah. Did you try it with the Z?
Yeah, Holler Boys with a Z. It I found the holler boys.
Oh yeah, you said this had those little ones. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. But this one will be on there this evening.
Okay.
Maybe tonight. It takes a little bit while to upload a video.
Huh?
God, I hear it bad now.
Yes, sir. Battery's almost dead.
It's trying to do it. It's trying to.
Hopefully he's right and those just seated. He's got to shake them off a little bit.
You'll have to go in there and put little shims in there.
I said I still wouldn't ride at home.
No, I'd let you pull it.
Even if it does start.
I wouldn't even try it, to be honest with you.
No.
Because he keeps trying it with them valves like that. He's going to mess them valves up.
Oh, I can do it. Dash.
Find it. Find it.
It
What
might be.
color was it?
Gold,
Go there and find that in these rocks.
clear hose.
It might be around here.
Probably might be your jacket.
Won't sit nowhere.
See it is. It'll be alright.
Might be up on top of that hill.
I think he had it when,
Yeah, when he was over there, he had it.
yeah, I think that last pull is what,
Check where, right through where I pulled you?
Yeah, it'll be alright. I don't need it.
probably about a week later when you're over here, you'll find it.
I had a foiler motor on keep it.
That's right here is one reason why I don't like to keep stuff very long.
Why? Wait, because you got to fix it.
Huh?
Why? Because you got to fix it.
Yeah.
Oh, it ain't that much. It ain't that hard. Let's just work on everybody else's. You might as well keep work on it for yourself.
Yeah, but I ain't gonna put money in everybody else.
I know. But it might be like you said, man. Them cams might finally bore those valves down enough to shim them a little bit more.
I hope it's something simple.
But